on!
Hang up your clothes.
I'm home!
You're home, Thomas. Where's Daddy?
Daddy's in the parking lot.
I see. Thomas, get changed and wash your hands.
Okay. Soap! Scrub, scrub, wash, wash. Germs go down the drain. Hey! Mommy, I'm done!
Okay. Oh, goodness, Thomas. What's all this?
I changed.
You can't just throw your clothes out on the floor.
Hey, I'm going to play with blocks.
Thomas?
Build the house.
Thomas, are you having fun with blocks?
Yes, it's the most fun.
But what's Mommy doing now?
I don't know.
Look over there.
Huh? It's Mommy! Mommy!
What's all this? I have to follow him around and clean up.
Mommy!
How do you think Mommy feels right now?
Not good. Mommy's tired.
That's right. Mommy's tired because she has to work from morning till night and do chores at home.
Right.
Everyone at home has to share the work and help Mommy.
Help Mommy.
That's right. When you come home, you have to straighten your shoes neatly.
Straighten shoes neatly.
Hang up your jacket.
Hang up my jacket.
And put your socks and dirty clothes in the laundry basket.
In the laundry basket.
Good job, Thomas. Now you'll do what you can do on your own, right? Promise?
Promise! Mommy! Thomas is home!
Hi, Thomas.
All right, straighten shoes.
Oh, what a good boy.
And I don't leave my clothes on the floor either. I'm going to hang them up.
Really? Well, Mommy's going to have less work to do thanks to you.
Mommy!
Now, Thomas is going to hang up his jacket and put his dirty clothes in the laundry basket. How about you? We can all hang up our clothes and clean up, right?
Like me!